pipes for agriculture and irrigation sector. Supreme is known for its exhaustive range of products which caters each and every requirement of agriculture and irrigation system. These include UPVC and PE pressure piping systems, casing and column pipes for borewell sector. UPVC pressure piping system, the most comprehensive range with a wide spectrum of fittings. Supreme UPVC pressure piping system with a wide spectrum of pipes and fittings in different sizes and pressure classes is a better solution for variety of applications like agriculture, irrigation, water supply, industrial process lines, swimming pools and firefighting mains, etc. Due to superior quality, it has become the prime choice of farmers, water supply bodies and different government institutions. These pipes offer a number of advantages like lightweight, easy and quick installation, excellent corrosion and chemical resistance, high flow rates, long life and economy. These pipes are approved by MJP. Extensive range of pipes, molded and fabricated fittings are available in different pressure classes as per IS standard. Polyethylene piping system, the next generation piping. Supreme polyethylene pipes are a safe, long-lasting and cost-effective solution for portable water supply, irrigation, bore wells, drainage and several industrial applications. Supreme HDPE pipes are manufactured using virgin raw material with the help of state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. These user-friendly, simple and easy-to-fit pipes are equipped with many outstanding features that assure long-term system performance. Stringent tests on raw material and finished goods ensure the quality as per national and international standards. We offer complete range of pipes up to 800 mm sizes in different pressure class and grades along with fitting. Pipes for borewell application. Supreme offers variety of pipes for borewell sector to cater every requirement. These include casing pipes manufactured as per IS, ASTM and SDR casing pipes as per company standard, ribbed screen casing pipes for tube wells, screen or slotted casing pipes and column pipes for submersible pumps. Casing pipes manufactured from specially developed PVC compound, Supreme casing pipes are not only free from corrosion and encrustation but equipped with various benefits like excellent strength and stiffness, durability, light in weight and hence its installation is very quick and convenient. These pipes offer superior performance at a lower cost, which has made them a preferred choice across the country. Casing pipes in different varieties are made available up to 12-inch sizes. Column pipes for submersible pumps, the best alternative to GI pipes. Supreme column pipes are specially designed and manufactured using latest material and technology under stringent quality checks. Unique design of square threads makes the pipes strong enough to withstand shock and jerk loads during operation. They are tested to withstand system loads comprising the weight of the pump, water and pipe with adequate factor of safety. Supreme column pipes offer many advantages like light in weight, high tensile load capacity, leak-proof joints and long life, making them very economical. These features make them better option as compared to the metal and similar plastic pipes available in the market. Different types of pipes in different sizes up to 4-inch sizes are available to suit installation depths up to 450 meters.